Name: Snake Island, officially known as Ilha da Queimada Grande. Situated off the coast of Brazil in the Atlantic Ocean, roughly 43 hectares or 106 acres in area, the island is restricted. Access is forbidden to the general public. The high density of venomous snakes makes it extremely dangerous. The main species here is the golden lancehead pit viper, scientifically known as Bothrops insularis. The golden lancehead's venom is highly potent and is actually used in medical research. The island is estimated to have between 2,000 and 4,000 snakes. In the early 20th century, it was used as a quarantine station for smallpox. Scientists study the island's unique ecosystem and snake behavior. The climate is tropical, with dense vegetation and high humidity. The island is home to various species of plants adapted to its conditions. Apart from snakes, it also has a few bird species and small mammals. Conservation. The island's isolation helps preserve its unique species. Threats. Habitat destruction and climate change could impact the island's ecosystem. Tourism forbidden due to safety concerns and environmental protection. Governance, managed by the Brazilian government with strict regulations. Surveys, regular surveys and studies help monitor snake populations and health. Medical research. Venom is studied for potential medical applications, including anticoagulants. Cultural impact. The island has inspired various myths and stories. Documentaries, frequently featured in wildlife documentaries highlighting its danger and beauty. Safety precautions, special equipment and safety measures are required for researchers. Historical myths. Folklore often exaggerates the dangers of the island. Scientific interest. Offers insights into island ecology and evolutionary biology. Unique ecosystem. Provides a natural laboratory for studying isolated ecosystems. Historical records show little documented history before the island's use as a quarantine station. Natural predators on the island are quite limited. Snakes here have few threats. Snake activity can vary with the seasons and weather conditions. Some local legends even suggest that the island is cursed or haunted due to its dangerous reputation. Strict laws are in place to prevent unauthorized landings. Protection efforts aim to minimize human impact on the island's delicate ecosystem. Educational value. Offers valuable lessons in wildlife conservation and herpetology. Survival adaptations. Snakes have evolved unique adaptations to survive on the island. Ecological balance. The island's isolation helps maintain its ecological balance. Research challenges. Difficult to study due to the island's dangerous conditions. Wildlife observation. Limited to controlled scientific expeditions. International interest. Attracts global attention from scientists and nature enthusiasts. Government protection. The Brazilian government enforces strict regulations to protect the island. Tourist curiosity. The island often piques curiosity due to its dangerous reputation. Island dynamics. Changes in environmental conditions can affect snake behavior and population. Conservation efforts. Ongoing efforts aim to protect the island's delicate ecosystem. Historical use, used for quarantine, then abandoned before its current use as a research site. Biological studies. Studies focus on genetics, behavior, and venom properties. Media representation, featured in numerous documentaries and articles. Field research requires specialized training and equipment for researchers. Cultural depictions. Often depicted in media as a site of peril and intrigue. Global significance serves as a model for studying isolated and specialized ecosystems. Biodiversity. Despite its small size, the island supports a unique set of species. Survival rates. Research helps understand the survival strategies of isolated species. Ethical considerations are paramount. Research is conducted with high ethical standards to avoid harm. Natural isolation, on the other hand, helps preserve species from external threats. Educational tours are occasionally used for educational purposes with proper safeguards. Modern technology, aids in remote observation and study. Public awareness raises the importance of conserving unique habitats. And wildlife conservation highlights the need for protecting endangered and isolated species. Media coverage, contributes to both fascination and conservation efforts. Species have adapted to the island's specific climatic conditions. Scientific contributions provide, valuable data on venom properties and evolutionary biology. Future research continues to be a focus for, scientific studies and conservation. The legacy of Snake Island remains a symbol of nature's power and the need for careful conservation.